If you love a glamorous bronze smoky eye, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create it using eyeshadow placements with a sponge tip applicator. But first, I'm going to be using a sticky tape in the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line going upward and outward. The one that I'm using is from Real Techniques, which is a part of a brush set. But if you don't want to buy the entire set, I'm going to link a couple other options in the description box right below this video. I'm cutting a small strip and sticking it in the very outer corner. Now that becomes our stencil. Every eyeshadow that I swipe will be at the same angle as this tape. From the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, I'm going to first dip into this charcoal shade and swipe it right beside the sticky tape, pulling it all the way towards the lash line, and it should look something like this. Next, I'm going to choose a shade lighter, so I'm going to go with a deeper brown shade and I'm going to swipe it right beside it. And then I'm choosing something lighter than the deeper brown, so I'm going to choose the lighter brown shade right beside it. I'm going to swipe it again. So it should look something like this. With a blending brush, I'm going to start blending just that line where the two eyeshadows meet. So I'm not going to be blending the entire eyeshadow itself, just on that line is where I'll be blending. That way you don't erase the eyeshadow, instead you just blend the edges for a smooth transition. I'm also going to blend out the lighter brown eyeshadow towards the inner corner. You can keep adding more eyeshadow till you're happy with the intensity. Like I have added a little bit more of the deeper charcoal shade in the very outer corner to deepen it. And then taking more of the lighter brown shade, I'm going to soften the crease line. And it's okay if your eyeshadows on the lid are not completely blended out, because we'll be using a beautiful shimmer over it, which is very forgiving on the blends. Now using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal palette, I'm going to dip into this stunning shimmer, and with my finger I'm going to apply it on my lid. Starting with my inner corner to the outer corner, mostly focusing in the inner corner, and as I move towards the outer corner, I'm going to start tapering it off. And as I mentioned, that covers up the harsh edges and the blend looks seamless. There's a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to quickly clean that out and set it with some concealer. That's pretty much it. We are pretty much done with the eyeshadow look. Let's focus on the lower lash line now. I'm going to dip into the brown eyeshadow to smoke it out and soften my lower lash line first. And then in my waterline, I'm going to be using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes pencil in the shade Hypnotic Gold. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay liquid liner in black. I'm going to pull out a small wing and line my lash line. To finish up, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara, but before that, I always make sure to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using Lash Princess by Essence, one of the best drugstore mascaras. And for eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Tati Lashes in TL10. And here's the completed eye makeup, a stunning bronze smoky eye that goes well with any outfit because it's a neutral smoky eye and looks absolutely gorgeous. It's one of those classy eye looks that's universally flattering. I'm going to pair this with a beautiful nude lipstick from Rem Beauty. This is the matte lipstick in Bubbly, which is a stunning nude pink. But before that, I'm going to line my lips with a brow pencil. And why do I use a brow pencil? Because they don't bleed in the borders, unlike many of the lip pencils. So you get a super clean look. I'm going to lightly shade it inward before I use the lipstick in the center of my lips to fill it in and create an ombre lip. You can also use a gloss over this and that'll look beautiful, but today I'm just going to keep it matte. And here is the completed look. If you plan to recreate this, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box. And if you need information on any of the products that I used, you can click on the View Products link embedded within this video on the left bottom corner. Or you can also check out my description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.